I'm Dave, you're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. Today, we're gonna make a sandwich that had its own spotlight on TV back in the late 80s and early 90s from a sitcom called Roseanne. And that sandwich is the loose meat sandwich. You remember the Lanford lunchbox. You remember Roseanne. You remember how, they had the whole family together and they're working hard and they're blue collar and they buy this diner and Dane and Roseanne are gonna run it, and somehow Jackie, she weasels her way in like she always does. Nothing against Jackie. You got the whole family. You got Darlene. You got DJ, which I think his name stands for, I'm guessing, Dan Jr. Put in the comments below if you know. I got another comment question for you. Why is there two Beckys? I never looked back to see why the first Becky went away and then came back and the other Becky went away and did Scrubs. I don't know. Anyway, that's a little bit of history of Roseanne. Let's get into making this sandwich, but first, we gotta go over what we're gonna need. So here's the ingredients. So the ingredients are going to be in the description below. We are going to need a pound of ground hamburger. We got our diced onions, a little bit of yellow mustard, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. We have some beef broth. We have our sesame seed buns. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get our skillet nice and hot. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of neutral oil. Ground beef going in. Where's my spoon? Gonna get this beef nice and chopped up. This is a great tool. I actually bought this off Amazon. And speaking of Amazon, down below in the description, there's a link to my Amazon storefront. I was lucky enough to get into the Amazon influencer program. So I'm trying to use that for now as a little bit of support for my channel. So if you get a chance, go down and check out the my Amazon storefront. So once our ground beef is just about there, that's when we're gonna put our onions in, because we wanna have it to have a little bit of texture to it. So we don't wanna cook these onions down all the way. We want it to have kind of a nice little crunch to the bite. And if you noticed, I did save a few because we're gonna put a few right on the top, some raw ones. Now this is 85-15 ground beef. You can use 80-20 too, obviously. But I just find the 80-20 to be a little bit too greasy for this, unless you want to spend time draining it. Because, you want the loose meat sandwich to be loose, but you don't want it to be greasy. Back in season 5, when the Lanford lunchbox opened, they didn't think to themselves, hey, let's make a greasy meat sandwich. It's loose meat. Here we go. Once we're confident that our beef is cooked off, we're just gonna hit it with a little apple cider vinegar, mustard. I happen to like French's. Here's a little pro tip for you. You know how it's always got that layer of liquid? As soon as you go to squirt it, it gets everywhere. Give it a vigorous shake. That way, you don't deal with all that liquid. Boom, little mustard in there. Gonna put a little bit of salt. I think this is a tablespoon. Tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar, tablespoon of salt. That was a medium-sized onion. Like I said before though, all of the ingredients are gonna be down in the description below. Gonna put in a little beef broth. Could use water, but I just feel like this gives it a little bit more flavor. We're gonna let this simmer. We're gonna let that liquid reduce just a tiny, tiny bit. We're gonna hit it with a little salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's it. Why we're letting this reduce, if you grew up in the 80s and 90s like I did, it was all about the sitcoms. It was the Cosby Show was a big one, Roseanne was a big one. I think at the time Cheers was still running. Cheers was a big one for me. Yeah, sitcoms were huge. Home Improvement came along. Do me a favor down in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite sitcoms were from the. Let's call it the 80s and into the early 90s. Say that. See if we can all agree. That's never gonna happen. Apparently the comments below aren't for people agreeing with each other. So let's try to be nice to each other and comment below about our favorite 80s and 90s sitcoms. I mean, really, look at that. That's it. Loose meat sandwich. It's the perfect diner food. It's a perfect meal in the middle of the week. Let's say you just want to throw something together, whether you're coming back from soccer practice or hockey practice, or you went to the store, you had a doctor's appointment, whatever you have going on, you just need something quick. This is it. Loose meat sandwiches. So I'm going to pull this together, I'm going to build a sandwich, and then comes my favorite part. We're going to taste it. So just sit tight for 1 second. So here it is. The Lanford Lunchbox Loose Meat Sandwich from the sitcom Roseanne back in the 80s and 90s. I'm not going to lie. Have paper towels ready because this is going to be messy, but it's also going to be delicious. Pile it high on a nice soft bun. I prefer sesame seed just because. Oh my God. Oh, it's delicious. It's beefy, it's tangy, it's got a nice crispy crunch from the onions, it's got that little kick of mustard. I mean, you could certainly add diced pickles to this too. It would be absolutely delicious. So share this idea, share this sandwich, share this video with someone who loves 80s sitcoms or someone who loves Roseanne. They'll enjoy it a lot too. So I really appreciate everybody watching. Do me a favor, comment below about Roseanne or about this particular video. Like it, certainly do me a favor and subscribe. Continue watching my other videos. I got one great one up here. I got a couple more down here. Yeah, so check them out. I make a lot of great stuff. If there's something you want to see me make, put it in the comments below. So comment, like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and once you're done doing all that, go cook something.